welcome to my channel. Welcome back, motherfucker. We back on normal scheduling. This is the look. We're doing a quick and easy get out, slay, have a good day face. If you want to know how to do this, stay tuned. Roll the clip, bitch. I'm gonna be priming my face with Farsalia's Skin Tubular. If you're wondering why my setup looks different, it's because it is. I'm still not done like really putting together my whole look. Like when I'm not happy with something, I can't do it. I just really can't until it's like, I don't know, good enough for me. Like what I imagined it to be the first time. If it's not that, then I don't want it. And I'm gonna be also using two primers. Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I used it once before. It's actually like pretty fucking dope. I like to use it on the lower half of my face because I get a little oily sometimes. Sometimes I just oil. Book by Shay. Fenty Beauty's Hydrating Foundation. Hydrating Foundation. In the shade 330. I'm trying out a brush for the first time. Not for the first time, but like for the first time on here. Together with each other. I got a new wig at JP's. And I can't even lie, like, I can finesse the fuck out of them. I've seen a lot of people talk shit about getting their hair at JP's, but it's working for me and my wallet. So who's the real winner here? Yeah, I mean, I can't lie, I like this brush. It's a Real Techniques brush. I'm really late on it. I don't know, for some reason I was always like stuck in Sephora and not stuck in Shoppers Drug Mart. Right now I am just using my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour cream kit. Putting some color and depth and angles and designs and textiles in my face. An everyday makeup tutorial. This primer is the shit. I can't even lie. Like, $69 for a fucking primer, you'd be like, over my great Aunt Sally's dead grave. But in real life, you use it and you're like, okay, over my Aunt Sally's dead grave. I am going to use the Anastasia Banana Stick. It says foundation, but it said concealer when I picked it up, so I don't know what happened there. I might, if I could find the time, be able to do 2 videos a week instead of 2 videos and then take a hiatus already. Quick makeup, on the go makeup, gonna go pick up your kids from school makeup. The kind that won't make the moms judge you when you go there. I mean, but like also fuck them moms, cause bitches ain't shit. Ooh, I didn't say the right word for that one, but setting powder. I am taking my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop, and I'm going, you know, pat myself up. By the way, shout out to those people who said that I helped them with my videos. Like, stop it. You know, just move your mouse down a little bit. Not too much where you can't see me, but enough where you like can see that subscribe sign right there. on one of those sides, click it. And if you have, share the video with your friends, grab a snack, start binging. Not binge eating, binge watching. I really, honestly, truly, like, I thought I loved the Pro Filter foundation, but like this hydrating foundation is a whole new game for me. And like, I never did dewy much. I never dewy. And I'm glad that I dewy. My favorite Maybelline Superstay Powder Foundation. Don't forget the double cheering. Leave some comments down below of what you would like next week's video to be about. If you have anything you would like to say, any positive comments, negative motherfuckers will be cussed out. If you're thinking about that girl Greta that's trying to save the world out here, go Gret. Climate change. We could talk about climate change. You ever look at yourself like that in the mirror like, who is this bitch? Who does this bitch think they is? I think I'm me. That's who. I don't like no questions. We ain't dealing with no questions. I am using Benefit Cosmetics Toasted Bronzer because I'm bronzer. And you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do some eyeballs. I am going to be taking my Tubes Cosmetics palette, the original palette, and I'm taking, I think it's Camilla, if I'm not mistaken. If I am, please correct me, because I can stand to be corrected. Okay, I am going to be using Pat McGrath Single Shadow Gold Standard. Y'all. Okay, now I'm gonna get my Jackie Aina palette, and I've been like addicted to this shit. Like I want to stop doing the same one, but I love ginger. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm going in with ginger. Just giving it a little color. I forgot. This wasn't. I was like, I'm bare. Why didn't you say anything, jerk? Now I am just going to. I'm using my Maybelline Big Colossal. Oh, Colossal Big Shot, not Big Colossal. For blush, I am going to use my very favorite thing ever, the lmao Cosmetics blush colorette trio. I'm gonna use the shade Seclusion. I'm a colorful bitch. And for highlight, I'm going to use Maybelline's Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter. I fucking hate how hard it is to open these. In the shade Molten Topaz. For lipstick, I am going to use Dirty Little Secrets Rosy Posy Lip Liner. Maybe I did use it, I don't remember. No. No ma'am. No ma'am. No ma'am. It's my lovely combo. My Tubes Cosmetics. Bitch, this shit is creamy. It is lustrous. People who have been asking where I've been doing my nude lip, this is it. Okay, now next after that. My Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid matte lip in the shade Naked. There's a fly in here and I can't get it out. Ah, oh my god. It's a bee. How did a bee get in my house? And I'm gonna use Huda Beauty's lip strobe in the shade Angelic. Just a little bit. Milani's liquid lipstick, a more matte lip cream. So I guess it has a cream matte finish. I don't know. I only use a little bit. It's Covet. Now, time to spray the face. And then after that, I will throw on my hair so you can see what all I'm working with. Oh, yeah. I like it moist. BRB. And this is the finished look. I hope you like it. I hope you had fun today. Just a nice, quick, easy video for my chocolates to be going out, maxing and relaxing, sitting all cool, chilling on the deep side of the pool. Subscribe, like, comment, share with your bitches and hoes.